Welcome to the Microsoft Word tutorials. This video is definitely for you if you are using the numberings and bullets in your document. One of my students, Deepika, has a lot of questions on this. In this video, I'm going to show you how do we work with multi-level numberings like 1, 1.1, 1.2 and followed by the bullet points or the ABC, etc. And I'll tell you, this is very easy if you follow the best practices and some back-end tricks as well. I'm sure if you practice this video, you definitely love working with numberings and bullets. So, let's now see how do we create multi-level numbering in the document. One thing we should always remember, never ever enter the number manually, so like this, like 1 and space and 1.1 and space, so on. Because when we do like this, the numbers are not automatically updated if we are editing the document. So how do we do this? As I mentioned in my earlier videos, style plays a very important role for everything in the document. So the numbering should be assigned to the styles. Let's now see how do we do that. There are multiple ways to give the numberings, but in this video I will show you the best possible way and the easiest method to assign the numberings. On the Home tab, in the paragraph group, you see there's a multi-level list. The first thing what we should always ensure in the current list we should have as 1, 1.1, 1.1.1 as you can see it here. But however, we need this to be listed in the current list. To get this format into the current list, just click on this and you'll automatically see a number here. Nothing to worry about this as of now. Now again, I'll go to the paragraph group and multi-level list. Now I see there's 1, 1.1, 1.1.1 and this is what we are looking for is in the current list. After that, I click define new multi-level list and click more. You will see the more button for the first time. Then you can see the number of levels that you can assign in the document. The best practice for any document to give a good readability, the 3 levels are good enough. Generally in a document we can provide up to 9 levels. When I say 9 levels, here is an example for you. However, this many of levels are not at all recommended. Now let us come back to the styles that we have used in the document. As you know, we have used main heading and the second heading in the document as our headings. We have also used the general content for the paragraphs. As we do not want any numbering for the paragraphs, we need the numberings only for the main heading and the second heading. We have to select the level 1 and click level to modify. On the right hand side, you see link level to style. I know my first level heading is the main heading, so I select from the list the main heading. And let me also tell you, this list is nothing but the styles that we have used in the document. So now I have linked the level 1 to main heading. Now I will select level 2 to the second heading. So my job is done very quickly. I do not have the third level in the document. That's why I did not touch this third level. And click OK. And you need not touch any of these options as of now and simply click OK. In the document, now you see there's 1, 1.1 for the second heading and similarly you can see 2, 2.1 for the following headings. Now I see there is some indentation before the second heading. I need to remove this. So if you have followed my earlier videos in the styles, we can simply modify this in the second heading styles. So how do I do that? So I just show you, right click on the second heading, modify, format, paragraph, indents and spacing, and remove this 0.63 and make it as default 0, and in the special make this as none and click OK and OK again. Now you see the first and the second level numberings are properly aligned throughout the document. And finally, I would also like to update the table of contents, and my expectation is I should have the numbering in the table of contents as well. So I need not generate the table of contents again. So just right click on the table of contents, update field, update entire table, and then click OK. Now you see the numberings are now reflecting in the table of contents. I'm sure you like this video. Now all you have to do is practice by creating the styles and assign multi-level numberings to the headings. I'm sure you'll be mastering this feature with rigorous practice. Thank you.